Alright guys, about to hit the road. My son's about to be back. But you see, we got a nice little setup going here. Got some carbon, fake carbon, but whatever. Got everything else. Like I said, hopefully we out doing some wheelies soon enough. I had my fucking kickstand up, down. That's your boy's epilepsy coming in. Losing my shit, bruh. She wanna lick me like a lollipop. Sound beast, so I love this little 600. Just sing my little beach. Shorty in the club, you know she wanna ah. Damn, can't see dick. The settings I have on definitely suck for you guys, I'm so sorry. Still, like and subscribe, press the notifications, let's get it, let's get it, hook your boy up. We need some more stuff. Tell me what you guys are looking to see, I'll give you whatever you need. Follow my Instagrams, my Snapchats, TikTok, everything. Let's get it. Show me love, I show you love. This world needs more love. No more hating. Everybody just gotta get along. Gotta love it, right? Oh, this guy wanting. Come on, man. Why you guys gonna want me to want it? He don't want it. He don't want it. Do not want it. Let's get it. Yeah, what are you doing, bro? You ain't gonna go. I run the lanes, boy. I run the lanes. I love this 600. For the biggest piece of shit it is, this shit rides out, bro. Rides out. son. Bop, 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 bop. Got that violin playing. Violin! Yo. Wa-da-da-da-da. Let's go. God, these grips are so sticky, bro. Everybody, I'm sorry if the video quality is shot. I need to learn how to make some good settings for nighttime. I'm just getting used to everything, like I say in all my videos. Just follow me, like, subscribe, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Help your boy out. I'm trying to learn it all. Six. I only want them choppers. I'll be only letting the cash grow. Hit those bells. Like, subscribe. I'm on my way home. Gotta go get my little man. I miss him. Haven't seen him in like 3 or 4 days. My little chunky boy. He got to go to the famous food festival. I'm not allowed because I got restraining orders on me and stuff. I don't know how to listen. I'm no bueno. I'm a bad boy. I just don't like people, you know what? That's what it comes down to. People just suck. Piss me off. I don't like them. Back to Portion Road. What up, Ralphs? Oh, your boy's back, yo. I need one of those supermoto bullshits. Nah, fuck that. These are way more fun. I think some beast. I really hope the video looks good for you guys. I don't think I should have it in super view. And I changed all the lighting effects and stuff. I don't know if it's gonna look good. I hope so though. This thing spits, boy. This is a real hack tour. Time is it? 7:09. When is my son coming to me? Damn, your boy is hungry, yo. Should I chef something up for you guys and put it on YouTube? Let me know. Yo, you guys gotta start commenting. Let me know what's good. Let me know what you want to see. Come on, like and subscribe. Where's the love? Like and subscribe. Alright, I'm out here, y'all. Peace. Peace.